Hello guys, good morning everyone. So welcome back to my another video. So today's on this videos I'm gonna show you how the life of the kids, okay, from our village, how they live and then how they play, how they enjoy, okay. So now I'm here in this small playground actually. This is the schools, okay, the school from our village. So I think you see these kids, they are playing there, right, playing football. They are all girls, okay. They are still maybe 10 years below all of them. So that's why now this is our village, okay. This is the life of kids, children in our village, okay. So have a look guys, how they play, how they enjoy, okay. This is the real happiness. We're still lack in terms of technology, so that's why so many of them, okay, see they are playing football there, because you know they don't even have smartphone also, right? So that's why in their free time they spend on playing outdoor games. So this is the real happiness, I can say. Even also, so when I was kid, I play football like them. So I think most on this generation, I think most of the kids they don't play football like them anymore. I think mostly they spend time on smartphone, on TV, right? Hello.